We deeply appreciate the support of Blanchard Valley Health System and the exceptional educational, hands-on opportunities it will provide our students. We believe that many of those students will choose to work and live in Hancock County because of the connections they make in this partnership.
Thank you to the University of Findlay and their donors, and I'm very excited to see where this partnership takes us with Blanchard Valley and future healthcare professionals.
This is just a great example of partnership and collaboration that will live long into the future, so it's very exciting.
They're very thankful for the renovations and move into this new space that we've had. We have 2 new classrooms that are located right outside of our faculty offices. This has had quite an impact on faculty availability when students have had questions, any concerns regarding content that has been taught, questions about an upcoming exam, as well as our ability to access our labs right around the corner. This allows us to set up laboratory practicals, demos in the classroom, increased hands-on activity, and has greatly improved the way that we're able to deliver quality education and interaction with our students on a daily basis. Thank you so much for your support. Now you'll hear from Dr. Richard States, who is the Dean of our College of Health Professions, in the newly renovated hallway that serves as the connective tissue between our program and our laboratory space and the other programs in the building.
You just heard from Dr. Hopkins, and I want to continue our discussion on the great collaboration between Blanchard Valley Healthcare System and the University of Findlay. This collaboration has allowed us to actually have additional learning spaces for our students, including this hallway that we see here. This hallway has allowed us to provide a space for the nursing students and the PA students to sit, study, have great colleagues, great conversation, and actually unwind a little bit. In addition to these spaces, we also have been able to increase the nursing spaces. When we look at the nursing program, it includes our expanded nursing classroom, as well as a brand new second classroom. This collaboration between the organizations has been a huge benefit, not only for classrooms and labs, but also for learning spaces for our students. When we look at this space here, we're looking at an area that has a printer, copier, and allows students to be better prepared for classes. We also have a brand new conference room, as well as office spaces that allows us to have additional spaces for the faculty and staff for better interaction between the students as well as the faculty. Again, a collaboration of this size and of this caliber is greatly appreciated by the University of Findlay, and for that, we thank you.
I chose to come to Findlay because it's close to home and I really like the small class sizes. With these classrooms, my classmates and I are able to collaborate very closely on assignments and projects. We are able to communicate more frequently with our professors since the faculty offices are now in the same building as our classrooms. That's very convenient. We are also able to practice a lot of new skills and do more simulations with the new lab equipment. This is very useful when we go out into the clinical setting on our rotations.